In this video, I want to exactly show you how you can link your PayPal account with Claude AI. So it's really easy. Firstly, you want to navigate to your profile at bottom left corner. You want to go to settings. In the settings, you want to look for connectors. Now browse connectors, and here in the search bar, simply search for PayPal. So I'm going to search for it, and as you can see, you can access PayPal payments platform with this tool. So if you click on this plus icon, it's going to redirect you to the login page where you have to sign up to your email account, and then you want to allow access to this MCP server. You can agree and connect. And this should connect our PayPal tool to our Claude AI, so you can see it right away over here. If you click on configure next to it, you can see the permissions. So you can keep it on need approval, or you can change it how you want. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.